African elephants. Herds are made up of related adult females and their young. Front and center is the matriarch, Taji. At 45, she's the oldest. Overnight, Taji's daughter, Kike, had her first calf. This is Binti, only a few hours old and already on her feet. Grandmothers watch out for babies born to first-time moms. Everyone's excited to meet the calf. Touch is an elephant's love language, but 20 relatives fussing is pretty overwhelming. In the commotion, Binti's been separated from Kike, and she needs Mom's first rich milk to build up strength. Binti's vision is still blurry. She's found a nipple, but there's no milk for her here. It's her grandma. Taji is quick to correct Binti's mistake. She knows if Binti can't find her mother, she won't last long. She helps her granddaughter up and gives her a push in the right direction. Binti finally finds her mother and has her first feed.